Hi guys, today I am going to tell you that how to open camera in your Windows 7. So first we will use any browser here, like I am here using Chrome. In Chrome we have to type in the URL box Google Chrome camera. We will click at camera Google Chrome. So it will take us to Chrome web store. We will click here at add to Chrome. It's checking. Now it will ask here add Chrome, add camera. We will add app and it's adding here. Now it will take us to apps. Now here is our camera. Now I will tell you how to open it from the start menu. Simply you can go to start menu and you can type here camera. So if you will click it, it will start. So now I will tell you that how to bring it on desktop. We will drag it and we will move to desktop. Thanks for watching. If you like, please like, share and comment. Thanks.